Keep rolling. Keep rolling. Keep going. Now make it real big.
Okay. By the time we get to the house, these parts will be done.
You think that one's too heavy to roll anymore? Maybe we'll make him the bottom. Trent, you put yours on. Flatten out the top of yours. Pate.
Huh?
Flatten out your top of yours so brother can put his on top.
Okay.
Think the bottom's big enough yet?
I'm trying to pack in all the dirty.
The top, you gotta make a flat part on the top so the other ball can sit on it. There you go.
There you go.
Now see if you can put that one on the other one in the middle.
Can you help me to it? Okay, first roll it over here. Okay. Roll it over. Hey, Mama, can you help us put it up?
Oh no, then I couldn't record you. See if you can do it. See if both of you can lift it. See if both of you can lift it. Both of you lift it. One get on one side, one get on the other.
Put it on the swimming pool, Mama. Put the camera on the swimming
You can do it, come on.
Ready, set, whoa! It's got it right.
Okay, hang on.
Put it on.
No, drop it, it'll break. I'm gonna have to help y'all again. Don't drop it, don't drop it. He's looking pretty good. Don't hit him too hard, you might knock him over.
Okay.
Let me go find a scarf or something to put on him.
Whoa!
What kind of a snowman is he?
I need snowman.
Okay, hang on, let me get a picture.